Today I'll be unboxing the Loungefly Mickey and Friends Juice Mystery Pens. These were released in February of 2024 and are available at Hot Topic for $9.90 per box, and there is one pen in each box. So the pen designs feature Mickey and Friends grabbing onto various juice bottles. This reminds me of the Park Pal mystery pens from a few years ago that had different Disney characters grabbing onto pieces of the castle or parts of attractions. I really like that set. Now that I'm thinking about it, I don't know if I completed that one. I'll have to check. So this is an 8-pin collection, and the pin designs that we can get are Dale with raspberry juice, Minnie Mouse with strawberry, Chip with apple, Goofy with orange, Mickey with lemon, Pluto with kiwi, Donald with blueberry, and Daisy with grape. So let's open them up and see what we get. So I have 9 boxes here to open up, which is 9 pins total. I don't have a specific pin that I'm looking for, so I'm hoping to get as many unique ones as possible. So I haven't seen these at all yet, as far as in an unboxing, so I don't know how big they are. And I did just get them today, so this is a quick unboxing for me here. So let's find out how big they are. I have a feeling they're gonna be small. That's my guess. Let's find out. All right, our first pin is, it is Dale. Chip? Chip. It is Chip. It's so hard to tell because the little nose is so small to see if it's a red nose or the black nose. So this is Chip with a apple juice bottle. And they are bigger than I thought. They're not huge pens, but they are a lot bigger. I thought they were going to be more like I opened up some of those Emperor's New Groove ones, Loungefly ones, and these are bigger than those. So there we go. We have Chip with apple. Let's get to box 2. Let's see what we get here. All right. 2 is, oh, I can see the top, it's poking up, and it looks like it's an orange. So it is Goofy. So Goofy is grabbing on to an orange juice bottle, and we have a straw in there. It looks like they're all the same bottles and they're all the same straws, just different colors, and then the different fruit on the top and then the little bottle label there. But yeah, that's cool. Goofy. Nice. Let's get to box 3. Got 2 out of the 8. It's too early to start a countdown like that. We gotta at least get halfway. All right, pin 3. I'm looking at the back, and this one is, oh, it's another Chip. Dale? Chip? It's another Chip with the apple. So we have our first double, and now, let's see, 8, so we can't get any more doubles. So I have 9 boxes here because Hot Topic had a deal where it was buy 2, get 1 free. So if you buy 2, get a third one, buy another 2, get another one, buy another 2, get another one. So that's how I ended up with 9 boxes. So I ended up paying $6.60 each per box, which is pretty good. Getting a pen for under $7, well, I'll take that. All right, ooh, this one's different because I see a kiwi. This one is Pluto with some kiwi juice. That sounds good. And this one, I believe, is the only one, yeah, the only one who's not grabbing the bottle. So Pluto's just kind of sitting there next to the bottle. All right, so we got that one. So we got some red, we got orange, we got green. So we got 3 different types of juices here. Those all sound good to me. All right, pin 5. From the back, they all pretty much look close to the same. So, can't really tell. But this one is different. It is Minnie Mouse with strawberry juice. That is very cool. And these do look like they're kind of a subdued color. They're not super bright. Almost looks like they're vintage, kind of faded away a bit. So there we go. Minnie got us to the halfway point in our juice bottle collecting. Let's see if we can keep going here. What would this be? Pin 6. 6 out of the 9. And this one is, oh, it is another Chip with the apple. So we got 3 of those, and now we can't complete the collection. Not that I thought it was gonna happen at all with 9 boxes and 8 designs, but hey, it would be nice. All right, this one it's Mickey. And Mickey is holding on to lemon juice. I guess you'd call that lemonade, I would hope. Lemon juice would be kind of sour. So let's say Mickey with some lemonade here. So Mickey with a lemon wedge sticking out the top. Made it past halfway, which is always good. I would love to get 1 more, 2 more. Hey, 2 more would be good. All right, let's see what this one is. I can kind of see, I'm looking at the back, but I can see the reflection because this is a shiny inside to this paper and it looks red. So is it gonna be another chip? It's another chip. So what can I say? We love apple juice. Yeah. So we have 4 chips. And our last pin is, come on, let's be one we don't have, so at least get 6 out of the 8 would be nice. Much easier looking for 2 pins than 3. And we get, I can see the straw. Oh, I see a Kiwi. It's another Pluto with the Kiwi juice. So there we go. So we got a few doubles there. I got 5 out of the 8, right? Yeah, 5 out of the 8. So that's not bad. Getting a bunch of those doubles, especially mostly the same double, that's not good, but hey, 5 out of 8, that's not bad. So those were the Loungefly Mickey and Friends Juice Mystery Pens. Which one was your favorite out of these 5? After getting a close look at them, my favorite is Mickey Mouse. And the reason why is because I love how he's winking at us with his tongue sticking out. So that one is my favorite. I love that one. So I got 5 out of the 8. And so I got a bunch of chips. Now, I don't know, I looked at it, so Chip has the apple juice, and I don't know if during the unboxing, if I said Dale a lot, or if I said Dale every time, or if I said Chip every time. So I have a little mystery when I start editing this video to see how many times I was right or wrong. So I got 5 out of the 8, so I am missing 3, and the ones I'm missing are Dale with the raspberry juice, and what else here? Oh, and then Donald with the blueberry and Daisy with the grape. So those were the 3 I wasn't able to show you today. But thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.